What's good to all my cousins, period. Hold on, let me turn on the TV. Y'all know I hate a quiet room. Like this video if my teeth is white. Y'all say I need to smile more. But anyway, so today I'll be doing a tutorial. I've been seeing people do this hairstyle in different ways and it was cute to me. Like the swoop is trending right now, like with different hairstyles, like up, down, two buns or whatever. And I wanted to do it. That's why I really wanted to straighten my hair. Even though it looked blow dry, it's not trained anymore and I did it myself. But I really just wanted to do some hairstyles that I've been seeing for y'all my own way. I'm about to do a tutorial for y'all. Half up, half down, swoop. Hopefully it looks cute on me. I really don't know what routine I'm gonna go with, but y'all just watch me and see if I do a good job, because this is my first time and I really hope it works. Because if I'm being honest with y'all, doing the swoop is so hard to me. I hate when they have like cracks in it and it's just too hard. Like this video for good luck. Okay, so y'all, I think I'm gonna be able to do this because I just practiced like off camera. But so basically what I'm gonna do, well, what I already did, parted it to where you could do your little swoop. Part it to your length, however long you want it to be.
I'm gonna do like that.
And yes, I'm recording off my new phone.
Hold on.
Later on today, I'm going with my man so we could redo our video, but longer. We about to tell the whole truth. We gonna show the DMs and everything in that video. So that video gonna be hilarious. So y'all look out for that. Post notifications. Gang. Okay, so I like my swoops to be kinda, I like it to be on my head. I ran out of certified Bella pomade edge control, but they sending me some new ones, so it's on the way. So for the meantime, I had to go to the beauty supply and give me some edge control, and I just bought this one that Venus be using. I bought this 24-hour edge stuff, and this is what I'm gonna be using to slick my hair. Here go a brush. It's a hard brush. Beauty supply, probably like $2. I'm about to start doing tutorials again, y'all, and I'm excited because I got a lot of different ideas. I don't even think I was supposed to be doing this one today. I jumped the bridge. I'm gonna just form it. I bought some bobby pins too. Ooh, and I bought some accessories. So
We getting fancy.
I think I'm gonna use a long one. No, I'm gonna use short ones. Just so it could stay. You feel me? Just so it could stay. Just so it could stay. Hey, just so it could stay. Alright. So now I'm about to part where I'm about to be wearing my hair up. So I'm gonna just have to make a cricket part to get some more hair because I got my piece that's gonna be up in the ponytail. This gonna be down. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. So we're just gonna leave that like this. Need a scrunchie. Let me put this hair up in the back. Now I'm about to slick this, get my edges from looking like they're on fire. And yeah, about to slick these edges like I ain't never slicked before. Cause it's been a minute. Y'all think I should start rapping? Everybody else doing it. Alright, so now I'm just about to fix my swoop. This takes patience, baby. Yo, I'm starting to talk like my man. He be calling everybody baby, and I'm starting to do that. Is this good enough? Let me see how it's looking with the hair down. I feel like I should curl it some. I'm gonna lay it down for like 5 minutes because I don't want it to mess up. And I bought some cute little hair clips to put on it, so. Okay, so I just laid it down. Whatever, it's pretty secure. And I'm about to do my little edge right here, and then or is that too big? That I bought, it was $4. Like, wow. Oh, it's one of them. Never mind. I'm using these ones because they actually slip-ons. My Swoop get in. I just need to straighten my hair a little bit. Oh well, if I get a little heat damage, I'm gonna start all over like I did in the beginning. And I could do more heat transitioning videos. And my hair is not your hair, so don't tell me what to do with my hair. So this is the tutorial of this hairstyle. It was so easy, so cute. We gonna call this the Bratz doll. Anyways, like this video if I did a good job, because you know I did. And this video was so easy, like unexpectedly. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it was easy. I did that. All right, I'm out of here. Period. The poppin' way. Thank you. Next.